want you to put your hands in there, right, and mush all the olive oil around.
I can figure out how to open things.
Okay, well. Okay, we don't need that yet. We need vegetables.
Whoa.
What? This is all here. It's all here. You cut up, wash these first. Wash this one first. We'll put one in, and then we'll put the next one in after if you feel like it's not enough.
Oh, it won't be enough. We need two.
Well, you just wait. Because you're cutting them up small, right? Ryan, I want you to wash the pan
How you
first.
want me to cut them?
Yeah, but after.
Alright,
Cut
you
the
have
pan
to
first.
you got it.
Yeah. I'm going to start frying soon. I hope you're okay with it. How many layers there is in an onion?
No, I've never cut one.
You're gonna have to cut them out small, so don't use a jagged one. Use this one, because you're gonna have to cut them up really small. I would cut it up this way first, and then cut it up.
They need to be that small?
Yes. You don't want giant. No one wants giant chunks of.
I do.
Yes, but you want it to be completely flavorful, right? It will be.
Ow. Yeah, that's a knife. Don't cut yourself.
Don't cut myself. Okay. I'm already starting to feel the effects, Ryan.
Start crying. Why am I near your onions?
This is the only table we have to use. I told you to cut this way first.
I did!
Cut it all that way first.
I did.
Cut it this way, like not this way. Cut it all like that, like that.
Yeah, I know what
Holy
you mean.
shit! Don't try and cut me up, man. I can feel it, Ryan.
Can you actually?
Yeah, I can feel the crying happening.
Start crying.
I can feel the crying. Do you know the number for 911 just in case?
Yeah, 555. In case we have a fire, right? Call the forest.
This
fire.
is this just a heads up, Ryan. This is not how you're supposed to cut it. This is, I don't think you're supposed to cut it that way, anyways. Oh Jesus!
Yeah, let's just call it professional.
Oh, it's not. Jesus. Bejeebus.
Are you crying?
Yeah. My eyes are hurting. I'm gonna end up cutting my fingers off. See this? Jesus. I'm gonna have to leave the room. I'm gonna have to leave the premises for 5 seconds here. Jesus. Oh Jesus.
I'm not crying.
I'll be right back.
We weren't lying.
Oh, don't do that. We don't need 2 people.
I'm not getting any crying.
Just
Your
yeah,
face
you
is
gotta cut it in front of you.